So beyond just placement, let's talk about other ways. Like, what's the one really common thing? Um, all businesses are just, really, really trying to figure out ways to generate not only the most applications, but the highest quality applications. When you drive around town, or you're walking around, say, business to business, what do we see all over the place right now? Signs, help wanted, we're hiring. Hopefully we don't see as much as what we used to that says, hey, we're not open this afternoon because we couldn't find enough workers. We all sort of went through that process. That signage is really interesting because who sees the signage? It's customers. It's other people that happen to be maybe close in proximity to your business and so forth. And we've developed some new tools that are really, really cool that link right back to that career site that we create for you as part of your account. So as an example, let's take a look at our new QR code signage section that we built. So this is pretty rudimentary in what this looks like, help wanted. What we're doing here, everybody is seeing these QR codes, which I know you as a marketer are very familiar with QR codes. For anybody that's not as familiar, obviously what that's going to do is allow somebody to see it in an offline setting. So a brick and mortar store that has a QR code, somebody that sees that obviously can just take a picture of that with their phone, which is now a QR code reader, and it will link you right back to that career site that we build for you. So rather than saying, hey, help wanted, you can say help wanted with a QR code that's a direct link back to that site that we just looked at. Conversion is going to be much, much higher than just writing down your website address for somebody to remember. This is a great way to capture that interest right away. And it does have some flexibility in this. So as an example, you can create, different signage, with slight differences as far as what you wanted to do. And you also have some capability to control colors. Not every color in the rainbow, but a lot. So if you can do it to kind of match the colors of your organization very easily. You can just download a PDF file and print those out and hang them up, for instance, in your business location. You could, if you wanted to get really advanced, you could take this QR code and download it and put it into your own signage. Like we have a number of customers right now that they are putting that QR code on their trucks for their business that says, hey, we're a construction company. We are hiring. Scan this code and find out what openings we have today, and it will take you right back to your career site. Pretty slick. Very, a cool but underutilized feature that is fairly new, but we're hoping to get more usage of that in the future.